Cindy Liao. Okay, before actually coming here, I have tried a lot of products and even treatments. So which is, it doesn't seem to help because it still have a lot of breakups and clots. So after one of my friends recommended Shamava to me, and after a few sections I can actually see the difference. And of course it goes along with their products. I can really sense the great improvement in my skin's complexion. And before that, you know, I cannot even dare to go out without makeups. Now I actually feel great even without having my makeups, and I can go out easily. And of course, I have to thank Assist for giving me such a great service, and of course their guidance of taking care of me, of my skin condition, and guidance to me, and to be what I am now today.